Today I'm in the great outdoors unboxing the free Soldier waterproof portable ultralight camping tarp. It's a camping and backpacking tarp. This video falls under action, adventure, off-roading, and the great outdoors. I have many other videos on automotive maintenance, modifications, and automotive tips. If you find this video helpful, leave me a comment and please subscribe. This is the gray 118 inch or 300 centimeter by 116 inch 295 centimeter tarp. It weighs 2.14 pounds or just over 2 pounds. So far I'm very pleased with the packaging. For a $25 tarp on Amazon, it looks like a good product so far. Let's roll it out and take a look at it. This tarp is waterproof and durable. The Free Soldier tarp footprint is made from 210 Delta Oxford fabric with 1000 PU waterproof rating. That's an enhanced waterproof function and offers long-lasting protection. The strength of the material and the reinforced ridgeline seam of this tent or ground tarp is tear resistant. It's wear resistant and puncture resistant. So it's ultralight and compact, a must for outdoors, easy to use. It has multiple sizes. So be sure to check out the Amazon page. I'll put a link in the video description to the Amazon page for more detail. Well, that is the tarp laid out. Now let's check to see if the manufacturer did a good job with their dimensioning. This is the 116 inch or 295 centimeter dimension. I'm going to check first, and then we'll check the 118 inch or 300 centimeter dimension next. Got a real treat for you. That's a first time tape measure holder right there, and you witness a rookie mistake letting the tape measure slip, but overall she did a great job, so she got a passing score. The two dimensions do check out, but you have to pull the tarp tight to get the full 116 inch dimension. Now let's move on to a closer look at the tarp. I'll show you the label that's attached to the tarp, and then we'll look at the fabric. This tarp has corner stays just like a tent footprint, and then it also has grommets in the center of the tent, so you could really set this up as an overhead cover also from the center connection point using some 550 cord or some kind of cord. Overall, I'm happy with this tarp. I bought this one for a ground cover to supplement my tent's footprint. It doesn't cover the full vestibule underneath my tent, so I'm going to add this to the bottom of my tent. But not only do I recommend for you to purchase this tarp, I think I'm going to purchase another one to use as an overhead cover. That concludes the video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the great outdoors.